Hello, welcome to another episode of Mark 2 Golf Stories with the banana today. We're going to replace a few bits and bobs. The dipstick, sleeve, the dizzy cap and maybe the boot for the wiring in the back. Okay, so let's do it. It's out. Yeah, where is it? Yeah. Oh.
Well, you try and get it on. I can't get it pretty on.
Let's see what it clips onto. There's a bit inside. It's broken off.
Where?
Yeah, inside it. Get some long nose pliers. Yeah, inside. The dipstick pipe. Is that bit. So you try and get it out.
It can be faster, isn't it?
Maybe it's not actually the clip. Maybe it's just. Oh, there we go.
Oh well. You know what it is?
Pretty chewed up.
You've got to bloody gear, you've got to bloody oil that. A bit more there, this side.
See, state of that, it's all broken up inside.
This side.
Right, that's cleaned out the best I can. Let's see if we can get this in there now. I'll start clipping in. There we go. It's in.
Get it on now.
Yeah. There we go. One job done. Right, next job.
Let's go and look at that.
Dizzy cap. The one for the
No, I've done that in the past, Scott. I thought I'll remember. And then you do.
There's only one place for that, isn't there?
Yeah. Hang on a minute.
See, while we're at it, we'll take the ISV off and give that a clean. Chip the wire into the hole sender. Oh, bloody hell, this thing is here. It's random wire.
You're doing it without waiting for me.
I can't even get them off. Just trying to get one off.
Take.
Right.
Right, almighty.
Shred on this thing does.
How dirty do you think it is? Clean.
Yeah, it's very green.
Right.
It's got some sandpaper on it.
Yeah.
It's a bit mucky.
Push one better.
So just clip it on as well, make sure it fits on better than the other one. Yeah, that's better, isn't it? Well, do you want to have a silver side at the top? No, okay.
No different.
Ah.
It seems clipping on properly.
That's weird.
See that?
Yeah.
Got to go in there.
Ah. I told you. Silver side at the top.
It's all the same though.
We'll clip it on, it might not be. Clip it on the top.
Better?
Yeah, okay. Well, maybe this was upside down. Let's try the other one back on.
Is it?
That's the right way though, yeah.
Yeah, it's right way.
Right, okay.
That's alright now.
Okay, yeah.
That's from
Bottom.
there.
No, bottom.
Oh, bottom, yeah. We're sure now. Yeah. I wonder if it can go across
Yeah, put it that way.
there like that.
Put it underneath.
That's better.
Yeah.
Yes, and pull that at the same time.
That's not too bad. Yep. Okay. Right, is that nice and tight now?
Yeah.
Right, good. Give it a wiggle. Nice. Looks a bit worse for wear inside this one, so definitely a good idea to replace it. Right, let's give a bit of a clean in here. Muck and shit off it. Another job we've got to do is probably replace all of these fuses because they're about 30 years old. I took a couple out and shade slated them, but they're not good. I've checked and replaced loads of these fuses. A shitload of them had the wrong fuse in. You know, there's some which should have 10 amp and they have 30 amp fuses in. Some that should have 15 amp or 10 amp fuses in. A load of the fuses look like this. So, you know, past their best. In fact, this one's even blown, so the open matters. That one's blown as well. But I wonder if that'll solve our fuel pump issue. There's one way to find out, actually. See if it stops it priming. Let's come find out. Nope, still on constantly. The mystery continues. We're just taking off the dash so we can have a look at things. Got a couple of spare wires. I mean, this looks pretty important. It's got a red and blue, red and green, grey and white wires. I assume that should go in the back here somewhere. Not sure where though. There's another wire up here. Seems to be going to nothing. With blue and red, red and green, yellow, yellow and red. Is that radio maybe? Another one here. That probably goes into the back there actually, it looks like it could fit in there. Black and red, yellow and red. That goes into the back of the that's a cigarette lighter, that Dad. But we can't find the wiring for the electric windows.
I wonder, Scott.
So I don't think it had any.
Is it worth squirting some WD-40 in there? In there?
Why in there? Oh, in the relay?
Yeah,
Why?
in the pins. In the pins.
Oh, I don't know, we can have a look at them, see if they're corroded.
Relay out. Put something like that. Might make a difference, I don't know. I doubt it very much. Put somebody's straw there, aren't we?
Right, let's get that time to evaporate. Still priming. So there's some mystery wiring underneath the scuttle down here. Mainly this. Traced it back to being some homemade wiring for the indicators. So where my dad is, down here, this plug there. Down here, with that unplugged indicator on the passenger side doesn't work. Okay, so one thing I've discovered, well, one thing I've sorted out is the proper horn, as well as.
Wait a minute. Did it only work with your indicators on?
No, indicators aren't on.
They were on.
They're not on now. They're not on. Hazards aren't on. No, nothing's on. I'll show you what the wiring in the front is absolutely mental. Let's go and have a look how I got it working. There's all this absolute mad wiring at the front. So you've got the wiring here for the spotlights. So this comes from the headlights, and you should plug this in down here. You can't really see it for the spotlights. But what we have to do is have this plugged in for the indicators to work. Not sure why. Hazards are going. We unplug this. Hazards stop. There's also this nice bit of wiring on the front here.
Still going. It's still going?
No, it's not.
This side? Right.
But this here, this one, got the horn working, Dad.
Yeah.
That. So you plug this in for me in a second. I'll just show you.
What's this going doing here?
I found that
That's
Right, this is the horn, you can help me just plug that in.
right.
You in?
Yeah.
You sure?
Not
The
right.
two blue wires together?
Hang on, hang on.
Nothing, is it? They only go in one way.
Right.
Has it stopped now?
It's still now.
Yeah.
I'm getting nowhere there, I've got things to do.
Why has that suddenly stopped? Guess it doesn't work. The fuck? We're not going to run the engine and burp it until we get the air filter. Could be later today, could be tomorrow, who knows. But yeah. Right, got a new hose. It's nowhere near as soft as the other one. Let's get it on.
That's above maximum now.
Right, so they put far too much oil in, haven't they? Let's drain a bit off.
There's
Yeah.
the top mark, there's your bottom mark. Should be middle of there.
Yeah, I know. So we have to drain it off, aren't we?
Huh?
Have to drain it off!
Yeah, jack it up. That's why it's all blown back.
Yeah. So there you go, there's our new pipe on. Having fun there, Dad?
Yeah.
Accelerator cable needs sorting out.
I put some stuff on it, it's took you out of time, but it's fixed, I can't get at it.
It's really, it's got no control over it. And that's just oil, that's just all that smoke that's blowing out there. All the oil.
Yeah. You can't just take it back a little bit then. No, just
well, I mean, it starts kind of for a little bit. Got a lot of work to do on it. Yeah, here it is. The lemon. I think I'm going to call it the lemon. It is a bit of a lemon, isn't it?
Yeah.
Anyway, if you found it entertaining or useful, drop a like, drop a subscribe. Buy me a coffee. I have that guy in every week. It's great. Thanks. See you soon.